On May 1956, the Minamata disaster was caused by dumping of mercury compound in Minamata Bay. It is estimated that over 3,000 people suffered from various deformities, severe mercury poisoning symptoms, or death from what became known as the Minamata disease. On 2nd December 1984, the Bobble disaster, also referred to as the Bobble gas tragedy, was a gas leak incident on the night of 2 to 3rd December 1984. Over 500,000 people were exposed to methyl isocyanate or MIC gas, and the disaster claimed the lives of approximately 16,000 people. On 7th of March 2019, the Kim Kim River became terribly polluted after illegal chemical waste dumping at Kim Kim River in Pasir Gudang, Johor in Malaysia. The illegal dumping released toxic fumes affecting 6,000 people and hospitalizing 2,775. On 4th of August 2020, a large amount of ammonium nitrate stored at the port of the city of Beirut, the capital of Lebanon, exploded, causing at least 204 dead, 6,500 injuries, and $15 billion in property damage, and leaving an estimate of 300,000 people homeless. After watching this video, it's very clear that you all should understand that my idea is based on SDG 3. To be more specific, SDG 3.9 is by 2030, deaths and illnesses caused by hazardous chemical and pollution should be reduced. The United Nations put SDG 3.9 as one of its goals to be succeeded because nowadays industrial accidents are happening everywhere and it's happening every time and each year and causing a lot of deaths. And this is a serious issue because it needs to be solved or not it will get worse and worse over time. The main cause of this issue are primarily because of industry. See, when industries dump all kind of toxic waste into the nearby river and lake, it causes the nearby river and lake to be polluted. And then residents living nearby those river and lake will use those water as their daily life. This will be devastating to them because they can develop all kind of diseases that can cause deaths. Moreover, all these industrial accidents are claiming the life of many workers inside industries and the residents living around the industries. In fact, the graph shown over the screen here shows the amount of deaths caused by industrial accidents in 21st century alone, and that is quite a lot to be honest. So that means that we must find a bunch of probable solutions that may help this issue. So my name is Kirtanan Maran and I am 15 years old. I am from a school called S137 Saujana, so stay tuned as I'll show you a bunch of preordinate solutions to this issue. In the early of October 1990, President Bush signed up for Pollution Prevention Act of 1990, which declared the US national policy should improve design, such as having high cost-effective products, processes, raw material, and recycling instead of doing treatment and disposal. After that agreement, they have created something that is very crucial and important, and that is the green chemistry. Now, I want to explain a little bit more about green chemistry. I want to explain the definition of it at first. See, the definition of green chemistry is that it's an area of chemistry and chemical engineering focused to design a product and processes to help minimize the effect of hazardous substances. There are as many as 12 principles of green chemistry and they're shown over the screen here, and I'm not going to go through them because there's too many of them. Now you might ask, why do we need to use green chemistry? What are the benefits of it? Now that's a good question because there are three primary benefits of green chemistry. The first one is that you get cleaner air, the second is that you get cleaner water, and the third one is that you will increase the safeness in industries. The reason why using green chemistry can cause more cleaner air because less use of hazardous chemical equals to less pollution and also toxic issues, which could increase the safeness of air and reduce the amount of damage to the lungs. The second benefit of green chemistry is that you get cleaner water because less use of hazardous chemicals equals to less dumping of hazardous substances into the water. The last but not least benefit of green chemistry is that you increase the safetiness in all industries because once again less use of hazardous chemical equals to less accidents such as fire incident or any explosion accident which could cause devastating amount of issues in industry and outside of industries. Now we have already covered a lot about green chemistry. Now let's jump straight into the solution for this issue. Countries like Sweden should help other countries that are struggling to cope with this issue like Malaysia, Bangladesh or other countries so that those countries who are struggling can finally manage to overcome this problem. For example, Swedish experts in toxic waste management goes to Bangladesh to carry out all programs in the industries to make sure that they can educate clients and also workers in how to manage toxic waste in a proper way. They will also be educated with various green chemistry principles so that by implementing this green chemistry, they can help resolve or solve all kinds of issues to the environment and to the people around it. Sweden as well could maybe possibly open investment in Bangladesh, which could also help Sweden a lot. And also the United Nations could jump into this situation by providing Sweden a tax reduction in trading wise. which will encourage students more and more to help Bangladesh to help resolve the issue. And other country can also help another country which are struggling with this issue, such as Norway possibly helping out Malaysia, or maybe Finland helping Saudi Arabia. In conclusion of the whole video, my objective is that I want the planet to be more greenery and move towards the green technology to increase the safetiness and also saving our planet. It would be very amazing if more countries try to participate into the issue so that this issue could be solved. As they say, the more the merrier. Thank you all so much for watching and have a nice day.